Hi everyone, Dr. Born here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you will learn how to solve word problems involving distance between 2 points. Let's have the second example. The line segment 5 units long has one of its end at 3 and 1. The ordinate of the other end is 5. Find its abscissa. Alright, so obviously we are to look for the x coordinate of the second point. Alright, so we're going to list down the given here. So we have the distance, which is 5 units. And we have here the first point. Okay, so let's have it as x sub 1, which is 3. And our y sub 1 is 1. Alright, and so we are to look for the abscissa, so we let that as x. Okay, it's unknown, and so our y is given, which is 5. Okay, so substituting to the formula, then we will have t equals x minus x sub 1 squared plus y minus y sub 1 squared. Now d here is 5, so we substitute 5, and then we have the square root of x minus x sub 1 is 3 squared plus y rather, which is 5, minus y sub 1, which is 1, and then you square it. So this will give us 5 equals, simplifying, this will be x squared minus 6x plus 9 plus 5 minus 1 is 4 squared, that is 16. Alright, and so this will give us 5 equals the square root of x squared minus 6x plus 25. Alright, so getting rid of the radical sign, we simply square this, and we will square this one. Okay, square. So this will give us 25 equals x squared minus 6x plus 25. Okay, so we will have here x squared minus 6x plus 25 minus 25, and 25 minus 25 is 0, so we have 0 equals x squared minus 6x. So simplifying this further, we can actually factor out the common factor, which is x, so 0 equals x times x minus 6. So we have two solutions here. The first one is x equals 0. Okay, and we have the second one, which is x minus 6 equals 0, or x. Okay, let's write it on top. Okay, and we have here x minus 6 equals 0, or that is x equals 6. Okay, so we have two solutions, 0 and 6. Okay, so if we're going to plot the points, okay, we will have here the first one, the first pair is 0 and 5, and the second pair is 6 and 5. Okay, so there are two possibilities here. So if we're going to plot the points, 0 and 5, 0 and 5, so it's here. So this could be the line that is 5 units away from point 1. Alright, and the other one is 6 and 5, so we need to add here. Okay, but I think this is 4 and this is 5. Okay, so I leave it to you. You plot 6 and 5, and that will be the second answer, the second line, or the possible line that is 5 units away from point 1. Let's have the last example. The points x and 1 is 2 square root of 5 units from 2 and 3. Find the x, or find the abscissa of the first coordinate. Alright, and so if you're going to plot the second coordinate, 2 and 3, so this is it, okay, 2 and 3. And so if we're going to list down the given, we are given of the distance, which is 2 square root of 5 units, and we have x sub 1, or x, which is the unknown, and we have the y sub 1, which is 1, and we have also the x sub 2, or x sub 1, that is 2, and we have the y sub 1, which is 3. Okay, so substituting this to our formula, distance equals x sub 1 minus x squared plus y sub 1 minus y squared. So distance is 2 square root of 5, square root of x sub 1 is 2 minus x, which is the unknown, squared, plus y sub 1, which is 3 minus 1 squared. Alright, so simplifying, we have 2 square root of 5 equals square root of 4 minus 4x plus x squared plus 3 minus 1 is 2, squared is 4. Okay, so getting rid of the radical sign, we square them, so that will give us 2 squared is 4, and square root of 5 squared is 5, so that will give us 4 times 5 equals x squared. We reorder this, that will give us minus 4x plus 4 plus 4. Okay, 4 times 5 is 20, so this will be 20 equals x squared minus 4x plus 8, and so this will give us 0, x squared minus 4x plus 8 minus 20. 8 minus 20 is negative 12, so this will be 0, x squared minus 4x minus 12. Okay, so by factoring, we will have 0 equals, okay, what are the factors of 12? 6 and 2, so this will be minus 6, and this will be plus 2. Okay, so this will give us x minus 6 equals 0, and x equals 6. Okay, and we have x plus 2 equals 0, x equals negative 2. So we got two answers. Okay, and we have this one. Okay, so if we're going to write it here, the two answers, so we will have 6 and 1. Okay, and the other one is 2 and negative 2 and 1. Negative 2 and 1. Alright, so let's plot the point. Let's try this one. So negative 2 and 1. So negative 2, so we will have here negative 1, negative 2 and 1. So negative 2 and 1, it's somewhere here. Okay, so this is the possible line that is 2 square root of 5 units away from each other. Okay, so this is the point 1, or the pair, which is negative 2 and 1. Alright, well, let's say that's point P, and this is our point 1. So 2 and 1. Okay, so since we lack space, your assignment is to plot 6 and 1.